Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for link price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis and looking at the weekly chart here for the all-time history, a quick overview between bullish and bearish scenario, what we are looking at and what we are looking for. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 finished impulse toward the upside, a wave A or a wave 1. After both case scenario, you would like to see 3 corrective wave. In this case, for link, we saw a W, X, Y, X, and Z, and that means a 5 corrective structure here for a wave B or a wave 2. And after this, we are looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 toward the upside, finishing a wave 1 or a wave 1 or of course a wave A for a zigzag. And we are looking after it for an ABC, of course, for a wave 2 or a wave B probably. But you would like to see, of course, a finished wave 3 toward the upside in an impulse. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Still missing, of course, to finish this impulse toward the upside. In case we are in a zigzag A, B, and a C, or in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, or probably even in double 1, 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. What you would like to see, of course, in this case scenario is an A, B, and a C toward the upside. For a wave C, of course, reaching the 1-to-1 fib level taken from this bottom of this impulse to the top of it and to the bottom of this wave B, giving us, of course, a perfect fib level at 1-to-1. Here for the linear, of course, where we are looking at a $59 for 1-to-1 fib level for wave C. This is your perfect target, of course, where it's gonna take the high here or the all-time high with few dollars, of course, with a wave C 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, if you can, in case you are impulsive in the blue count 1, 2, and 3, 4, and a 5, so definitely you are looking for your 1.618 as a wave 3, which is a little bit higher here. But in a logarithmic fib level, that means, of course, $93, guys. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, continuation toward the upside, even with a 4 and a 5 for higher prices for link. Those were the bullish scenario. The bearish scenarios right now are, of course, unfinished correction here, A, B, and a C. So after having wave A or having a wave 1, you're looking for a correction, right? And this correction is probably not finished yet, meaning if this transformed to something like a zigzag, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and then moving toward the downside, this is your bearish scenario, of course, as a wave C. Now, if you can take here the 1-to-1 fib level to make sure where are we have already passed the 1-to-1 fib level. And this is much more credible for an impulse after finishing a wave 1 here, and you're looking for wave 2, so you would like, of course, to reach a wave 3 toward the upside. Your wave 3 here as an impulse taken from this, preferably, of course, even to reach higher, meaning you would like to reach, of course, the 1.618, which we already have it, or and as uncommon target 1.27. Yeah, so yeah, we cannot say that we are still impulsive. Yeah, this is a problem currently with a link, so we cannot make sure that we are impulsive and we are looking for higher. It might turn into, of course, something else. Now, don't forget as well, we can turn it as well into contracting ending diagonal, A, B, and a C, ending diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, you still need this one more leg to the upside, of course, to finish an impulse, because if you start leading diagonal with an impulse, you have to continue wave 3 with an impulse, right? So still also to be watched, of course. However, currently it is, of course, in a danger for a bearish scenario. Our invalidation point, let's move inside here on the 4-hour chart. On the invalidation point, guys, is of course the following. So we have this 1, 2 here as a leading diagonal. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5, of course, is truncated, which is very also possible to happen in a leading diagonal normally. And you have an ABC for a wave 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finished, of course, wave 3. Now you are in a wave 4. Did this wave 4 finished or not? This is the question. And as you can see in this area, you are looking for something else, probably still unfolding not finished yet as an ABC, because if you have finished a wave C here, then you are looking to double 1, 2, yeah, or probably just one A, B, and a C as an expanding flat wave 3, and then you're looking for a wave 4. Your wave 4 did not invalidate this impulse yet, meaning the bearish impulse still, of course, alive. And of course, we did not reach the 22.45 as it was given. And of course, we are still inside this impulse toward the downside, where we might see one more leg, of course, for lower prices, probably hitting the 1-to-1 fib level taken from this A, B, and a C, hitting perfectly, of course, a zigzag for a 1-to-1 fib level at $14.25. Yeah, so these are the possibilities here. So let's put also our blue box here. Another scenario is, of course, that we have took the 1-2 here. Since we have a wave 4 probably, and we see a formation probably of a 1-2 and then 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 3, 4, and or possibly 3 might hit, of course, the 1.27, 4, and a 5, hitting perfectly the 1.618 and the 1-to-1 fib level, which are in confluence. So this blue zone is to be watched, of course, and is our next target. Your bullish scenario, guys, simply you would like to see higher prices hitting the 22.45. Once you see this, you, of course, going for higher. It is not necessarily to go directly. It can, of course, rejection, but hitting this price, meaning we will not take this low anymore, meaning it will move for higher soon or later. Yeah, so this is the idea. But yeah, so much more higher pressure here on the link for lower prices. Let's take a look as well on the KGT. So on the KGT, of course, we are looking at both scenarios here. Both are eligible, bullish and bearish, of course, and we know this sideways, but yeah, we can see a very, very clear convergence, very strong convergence from the tops here, and putting some pressure on linked for lower prices. And from here, we can see also a divergence. However, this price action is very, very close to invalidate this bullish signal. Meaning once you take this low, forget about being bullish. Of course, the bearish is gonna take lead and continue towards the downside. Therefore, higher possibility is for the bearish, and our blue box is in sight. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.